Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got the massive undertaking of dealing with some firewood again. It seems like all we're doing on the channel lately is firewood. But we're going to clear, I think, this middle stack. We're going to clear it out to the front. We got the metal face cord racks. We're going to fill, we already got one filled up. We're going to try to fill two more. Possibly going to have a delivery. Maybe, I shot him an offer. He was going to rent a truck from Menards, but I don't think anybody really realizes the hidden cost behind renting a truck from Menards. It's not just $19.99. But shot him offer for delivery. We'll see if he takes it or not. But we're going to take some of these smaller little chunks here, like this. And that one, we're going to put it back here on a rack that Krystal's struggling with. So you guys see Krystal, she's out here, she's doing something. Like I said, we're going to, the little chunks we're going to throw back here, we're going to keep them for ourselves. But that's the plan for today. We got a huge freaking pile out there we want to move back here. Just no place to move it to. But I want to get the mower out. Probably run through this garden real quick with the mower while I have it out, and we'll get going on that stuff. So stay tuned.
So guys, we figured we'd come back and give you a little bit of an update of what we've gotten done. We haven't been running the camera the whole time because it's a lot of the same repetition, going back and forth and moving wood. But
it's also 93 degrees outside and we're all dying.
Yeah, died a couple times and came back to life, I think, because this sucks. But we're going to update you on what we did get done so you can kind of see the progress, and we'll probably be back out here after dinner. We're about to go get dinner made. So we did get a fire going so we could start burning off some of the scrap wood, because there's a lot of scrap up there. This whole rack, we have taken the wood that was there, moved it up to a different rack. That's all the other wood that was in the driveway now. So we've been moving that wood, and we did get the stuff that's missing from there. That was all moved up to a different rack as well. But made quite a bit of progress up here. This pile, kind of hard to tell because it's massive. It's taller than me, so it's a big pile. But we cleared quite a bit from this area here. We can actually get the four-wheeler, or not the four-wheeler, but the lawnmower and trailer through. So it's definitely getting smaller. You can kind of tell that it's about half the width now. So that pile we've moved quite a bit. And we've got the second rack that we were stacking is stacked now, and we got a third rack stacked. So these are our racks that we're selling. I should have at least two of them sold actually already. It's just a matter of people picking up. But those racks are stacked. That wood's moved. Got quite a bit of the scrap wood already back getting burnt. So we've made some progress. And I'm sure you noticed in the backyard too that the planter box that we said we needed to get dismantled and burned, it's now gone. So progress is being made. I'm sure we'll come back a little bit later and show you a little bit more because we're going to go have dinner.
Alright guys, so it's been a few days. not gonna lie, we haven't ever lied. We suck at this YouTube thing. Pardon the neighbor without cutting the grass. I'm not gonna tie this over to another day. We had a little bit of weather stuff kind of come in. We had some good storms rolling in, and then not yesterday, but the day before, we ended up taking a four-wheeler out to Badlands Off-Road Park in Attica, Indiana. First time I've had a four-wheeler out all year, and it was much needed. It's my way to relax and unwind and just have fun. And I can't believe it took me this long to get it out, considering we are August 5th. So it has not been out all year. It's been started, ran a little bit. Had to get new batteries. The battery is fried. But I could tie this into another day because I am getting out here and getting working. But I don't want to make the video too long. I'm trying to keep to shorter videos. This stint of YouTube for me, I was doing a lot of really long videos, like 40, 45, 50, 60 minutes. And it took a lot of time, a lot of effort, and they don't really seem like they were getting that great of views. So I'm trying to keep everything short and kind of sweet to the point. So instead of wrapping today's stuff into the last video, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up here. Apologize for the short content and stuff. Some of it was under my control, weather stuff wasn't under my control, but it is what it is. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Actually, I don't think we gave you a final update. We got 3 of those metal racks out there. I know Krystal showed you. We sold 2 of them. One was a delivery. We got paid $40 for it, on top of the cost of the wood. For, I think it was a 4-minute drive one way, so it's not bad. So we sold 2 of them. We filled them back up. This rack's completely filled with wood out of the driveway, and we started filling that rack. That rack's all moved up to the front now, so that rack's about to get filled up. Part of that rack, or a good chunk of that rack's out front too. So we opened all these back racks up. So the oak that's in the driveway can actually come back here and get stacked off. But I think that's pretty much the only thing we haven't updated you on. So again, appreciate you guys stopping by, checking the channel out. If you guys like it, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Share it out, help to grow the channel. I'm not going to go super hard, super crazy on this YouTube channel. Well, it's the same channel, but I'm not doing it. I'm not going super crazy with it this time. So it's going to be, we're shooting for a video one a week. I might drop it down to once every 2 weeks, just get a video out. It's not going to be super crazy, not going to be super long. But if you guys are enjoying it and you guys know somebody that would, make sure you guys are sharing it out and kind of helping us grow the channel. As the channel progresses, and hopefully once we move out of here into our own chunk of land, the videos are going to start coming out fast and furious, but we're having more stuff to do. So appreciate you guys stopping by like always. Make sure you guys are loving yourselves, your friends, your families, and your neighbors, because everybody needs a little love. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.